Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So if you are getting the error on PC, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several methods that can help fix the issue and get Fortnite running again. So firstly, completely close Fortnite and the Epic Game Launcher. Now, open the Epic Game Launcher. Go to your library, click the three dots next to Fortnite and select Manage. Then click Verify Files. The launcher will scan for corrupted or missing files and automatically replace them. If the error still appears, repair Easy Anti-Cheat. Open your Fortnite installation folder, navigate to the Easy Anti-Cheat folder and run the Easy Anti-Cheat setup file. Choose Fortnite and click Repair Service. Next, clear the Epic Games Launcher cache. Close the launcher completely, press Window plus R, type %local app data % and delete the Epic Games Launcher cache folder, then restart your PC. You should also make sure Windows and your graphics drivers are fully updated. Outdated system files can sometimes trigger Fortnite launch and installation errors. If you are still seeing the same problem, the game files may be severely corrupted. In that case, uninstall Fortnite and download a fresh copy from the Epic Games launcher. After completing these steps, launch Fortnite again and check whether the issue has been resolved. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.